Look at all the bird habitat they just destroyed. Hundreds of cardinals have called this place home over the winter. For many, many, many generations of cardinals now. This is where they hide. And look what's happened. They don't even know what to do with themselves. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Humans don't care. They have no empathy. Nothing. They give a fuck about, their own damn selves. And these poor geese. They don't even have a clean lake to go to now. Nope, not even a clean lake. It's contaminated. It's so disgusting. My heart goes out. It really does. The winter's not over yet. The snow's gonna fall again, and where are these birds? They got hardly anything left to hide in. Unbelievable.